Good morning, my YouTube crafty friends. I wanted to come today and show you embellishment box that I have made for a swap. I've already received my partner's embellishment box and it was gorgeous. I love it. I'll do a video of it next. But I wanted to show you what I made before I send it out. And this is my embellishment box. I took and I ordered some handmade mulberry paper from Thailand, and I took and covered the top of the box completely with a piece of the mulberry paper that looked like this. And then I also used the mulberry paper to make some of the flowers. This flower here, this big white flower, I used this mulberry paper that had these leaves in it. It's got two different kind of leaves. I think this is like a silver dollar plant or something like that. But anyway, and the little pink flower here, which I'll pick it up and show you in a minute, I made out of this mulberry paper here. That's where I cut out one of the dies. And these are the dies that I use to make the flowers. It's Sizzix, and it is number 558692. It is Stephanie Bernard Flower Layers and Leaf. But it's got several different. I'm actually going to post this one for sale on my eBay store. I also made this flower, and I made it out of a pink shiny paper. It's got a real shiny sheen to it. I don't know if you can see it or not, a little bit. But anyway, that's the paper I used to make the flowers. These are little flowers that I had. I didn't make these, but I did make this flower out of some lace that I had. And I didn't make this flower, I had this one. And then I took the pearls and layered them around. The green leaves here are from some of the lace that I ordered from China. I took the rosettes off and I left the pearls on, but I wish I had got more when I ordered it. It's really pretty. It's a mint green. But anyway, that's what I used here and here. Around the edges, I used an adhesive lace. Excuse me. It's called doily tape, and it's adhesive, and this is what I used to go around the edges. Right here. The butterfly was cut out, and then I have these feathers here and here that they come, I don't remember where I ordered them, but I have a bag of them. They're little feathers with adhesive backs on them. So if I remember, I'll try to post a link. I can't remember, it doesn't say on there where it come from. But anyway, I wish the lighting was better. Let me see if I can get a little better lighting. Maybe. Anyway, this is what I made. And then I this was a sticker that I distressed the edges, the faith, love, and hope. It's in gold. And of course this flower is white crocheted trim with gold edging. I do have that on my eBay store. When you open it up, I've laid a piece of paper and I've die cut out some butterflies, and this was a Crafter's Companion die. This one to a special friend. This is one I ordered from China off eBay. And then under that, I have some flat pieces This is some little ribbon, little tiny gold ribbon, or pink ribbon with gold trim. And I just wrapped it around a tag and put the tag in a pocket. This is some samples of some washi tape that I'm putting in there. This is a tag in a pocket that I thought she might be able to use, but I put some bling in there for her. And then to all the goodies. This pocket is filled with wood pieces that I had in my stash. These I actually, not too long ago, got at Michael's. These little butterflies. They're really cute. They come 3 different kinds in a pack. They're usually with the Tim Holtz section. The others were in my stash, and I really don't remember where they come from. In this pocket is flowers. I made another golden white flower that I'm gifting. Here's some of the little flowers that I put in the middle of the butterfly. And these are some little foam flowers that I thought she might be able to use on some projects. And on the bottom I hid a little pack of pink gems. Bling. Trying to put this back so I can send it to her today. Then in this pocket I have a couple resin pieces, some resin flowers, and I put some of the larger pearls that I have. I think they're neat in projects sometimes. And these are some of the leaves that I used on back and behind the flowers. And then I just put a little bit of tissue paper down there in the bottom, so hopefully trying to keep it from banging around in the shipping. And in this pocket, in this little compartment here, I've put 4 little bottles, and each little bottle has a different kind of little, they're actually for a wedding that comes in 4 different in a pack, and this one is light pink, and they're hearts. That one's light pink. This one is gold. Little hearts. And then the iridescent white. And silver. And I put those little pink styrofoam balls in there, hopefully, so they won't bang together during shipping. But that's the little silver ones. And the next pocket I have some little tiny pink doilies. And this is just the doodad box. It's got some clothespins and pearls and bows and a bunch of different gems. I have, here's a fairy and a crown. I have some ballerina slippers and a little purse. Oh, here's a love. And here's the little purse. Little purse. A dragonfly. And a key. My big fingers have a hard time. Here's a key. And here's a flower. I'm trying to put it in the light where you can see. And I'll load this backwards. There we go. And then I just have some flat back pearls in pink and white in the bottom. I have some little pink bows and some gem hearts. It's just a bunch of doodads. Anyway, that's what's in that pocket. I'll have to fix it before I send it. And then in the next pocket, I have some bottle caps. These I've had for a long time. I don't really remember where they come from, but I thought they were pretty cool, and they matched the box, the pink and white. They have a little brown too. Like this one says Drink Heritage. This one is 100% Pure Family, and Drink Forever brand. and they look like real bottle caps. They're kind of cute. And then I also have a little banner in here that I thought she might be able to use in her cards or whatever. Maybe on a scrapbook page. I'll put that back in a minute. And then up here I've got a couple wooden frames that are adhesive. I left the sticky part on. And this is a ballerina that I got off eBay when I ordered a set of stuff. It come in with it. I thought it was real pretty and it matched. And then some square bling, and I gifted her some of the golden white crochet trim, and I wrapped it around on one of the wooden lollipop sticks with the ball on the end. And then I had some other lace here that I'm gifting her, and I actually wrapped it on one of the acrylic stamping blocks so she can use for stamping. And in the next pocket I put a couple filigree pieces that I use to make flowers with. There's one of the little ones that I have, so she can make her own flower out of the lace. And sometimes I use these in the center if my flower is big enough, so I gifted 2 of those. And I gifted some of the doily tape. I wrapped it around a little wooden tulip. This is the doily tape that I put around the edge on the outside, but I just gifted her some of that, the adhesive doily tape. And in here I got some stickers of some mason jars. I thought these were really cute. They're just different little stickers, and then stickers of strawberries and cupcakes. Who can't use stickers when you're doing paper crafting? And I kind of stuck a couple more of these flowers in here to help sturdy the paper clips I have in here. I have different shapes of paper clips that match and were cute, and I'm sharing with her. There's some hearts, and this is supposed to be a little envelope in white. I have some gold paper arrows and a little white square, and I had a whole bunch of the pink hearts, so I give her more of those. And that is what I have in my embellishment box. This is actually the first one I'm in a swap with, and I hope she likes it. And later today I will do a video on the one she sent me, which was awesome. So there you go. Still working on a few things to get uploaded. I'm not quite done with the tutorial for the little dresser. I should have it done soon. I don't like giving dates because when I give days or dates, I'm always late, so I don't do that. But I'll have it done real soon and get it up. And my partner in the challenge giveaway is working on some stuff for that, so we got a lot coming up. Please like and share and subscribe. I am going to be giving away a $50 gift card to scrapbook.com, and I will have all the details on that much later. But subscribe so when I do put it up you will know all about it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit the like button below, and y'all have a good day.